Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson. We have under Jamb Mathematics, we are going to treat integration today. I will have 3 questions on the board. Let's start from number 1. We are told to find the area of the figure bounded by the given pair of curves, y equal to x squared minus x plus 3 and y equal to 3. Solution. Now we have y equal to x squared minus x plus 3, and then y is equal to 3. So equating bringing the two equations together, we have 3 is equal to x squared minus x plus 3. And then collecting like terms, 3 minus 3 is equal to x squared minus x. So going over to the other side, you know that 3 minus 3 is 0. Therefore, x squared minus x is equal to 0. And then when we simplify, we have x bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. So that x is either 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is 0 or x equal to 1. And then this will be the limit. This is the lower limit. 1 is the upper limit. Y0 is the lower limit. We go ahead and integrate. We have 1, 0. And then we put the equation, and that is x squared minus x plus 3 dx. So when you integrate, you now bring in the limits. And that will be x raised to power 3 over 3 plus x squared, minus x squared over 2 plus 3x over 1, then 1, 0. So the next step now is for us to substitute the upper value and then also the lower. But it will be, after substituting this, we subtract that of the lower. So that would be equal to, bringing in our values, 1 cubed over 3 minus 1 squared over 2 plus 3 bracket 1 over 1. Then we're supposed to have plus c. And that is constant of integration. Plus c. Then minus. You are now bringing in the 0 part. So that will give us, putting 0, will be 0 over 3 minus 0 over 2 plus 3 into 0 plus c. And then you discover that coming back, we have 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 plus 3 over 1, then plus c, but this c will cancel out because c minus c is 0. So that will be minus, all of that are 0, 0 over 3 minus 0 over 2, and then plus 3 times 0, that's 0. Okay. So moving on now, we simplify. And then we discovered that the whole of this is 0, so there's no need. So this one now, our LCM here is should be 6. So we have 3 dividing 6, 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 dividing 6 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 1 dividing 6 is 6 times 3. That's 18. Okay? So, as I said earlier, the other one is 0. So, there's no need. So, this will give us, collecting like time, that will be 20 minus 3 all over 6. And that will be 17 over 6. You can go further by simplifying. And that will give us 2 whole number, 5 over 6. So that's the end of question number 1. Then we go over to number 2. And number 2, we have to evaluate this. So number 2, we have an integral of 5 over 2, then 0 sine 2x dx. Well, to go further, that will give us minus 1 over 2 cos 2x plus c, constant of integration, then the upper part and the lower part. So, moving on carefully, we have, coming back here, we now bring in the values, and that will give us minus 1 over 2 cos 2 brackets pi over 2 plus c plus c. Now minus again. Minus brackets minus 1 over 2. You now substitute the lower part, which is 0, cos 2 into 0, then plus c. Again, constant of integration will disappear. And then we now have minus 1 over 2 cos pi is 180. So, first of all, this we divide, and we are now going to have cos pi minus bracket minus 1 over 2 cos 0, because 2 times 0 is 0. Okay? So coming over here, we are now having minus cos pi minus 1 over 2 cos pi and this. So we check what is cos 180. We check our calculator. And from our calculator, we have that cos 180 is minus 1. So that will give us minus half multiplied by minus 1 minus, then you have minus half again. What is cos 0? And we have that cos 0 is 1. So if you multiply out, this will give us half plus, because this will change to plus half. And then we have 1 as our final answer there. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We are going over to question number 3. And question number 3, we can see it on the board. So that one, we have to integrate this. So integral of 3, 1, x squared minus 1 the x is the same thing as x cubed all over 3 minus x minus x. Then we put the limits 3 and 1. 3 and 1. So we move on. You substitute the limits. So that will give us 3 raised by 3 over 3 minus 3 over 1. Then minus again, substitute 1 over 3 minus 1 over 1. Yes, I didn't include constant of integration because it will always disappear. So we have 27 over 3 minus 3 over 1. Then minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 1. So this is 1, this is 9. And that is 9 minus 3 minus bracket 1 over 3 minus 1 over 1. So here, our LCM is 3. That will give us 1 minus 3. So that will be 9 minus 3 is 6. So for this side, we have now 6. And minus bracket, this is minus 2 over 3. You open the bracket, it will give us 6 plus 2 over 3. So finally, we have 6 whole number, 2 over 3, as the final answer to question number 3. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment. If there's any question, you are free to put it in the comment section so that I will be able to make another video to find solution to it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next